Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I am doing a watch me work for you guys. So I will show you how I created this set of nails. So let's get started. So to start, we are going to push back the cuticles on all 10 nails. So now I take my favorite cuticle bit from Exclusive Nail Couture, and this is the pink diamond cuticle bit, and I will get rid of all the dead skin around the cuticles on all 10 nails. I don't know why, but this is my favorite part of doing a service. Then I take my moon diamond bit from Nail Couture and go around all the cuticles just to buff off any skin that might be left over and some of the shine that's near the cuticle. It's quite easy to get rid of the shine using this bit. Then I take a fine arbor band and lightly buff the nails to remove any remaining shine. And now I take my cleanser and wipe all the dust from all 10 nails. Now I take my primer and apply it to the natural nail only on all 10 nails. And I am using I&M's ONL primer. This is my favorite primer. The next step, I take my Vision Gel's rubber base coat and I create a free edge. Then I put the gel on the natural nail and bring it down and connect it to the free edge. After I've placed the gel exactly where I want it, I will cure for about 15 seconds and then pinch using these pinchers and then continue to cure for 30 seconds. So after all 10 nails have been built with the rubber base coat, I go in with my Stucture gel and build up my apex and make the nail nice and strong. When I finish applying the gel, I will cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, now that all 10 nails are built and cured, I am going to take my cleanser and wipe the dispersion layer off and start filing. So first I'm going to start filing the free edge to shape my nails. Then I take my smooth barrel ceramic bit from Exclusive Nail Couture and file all 10 nails. Next I take a medium zebra file and perfect my shape and do all my finish filing. Then my last step in filing is taking a coarse buffer, and my favorite is from Ugly Duckling, and buff all 10 nails. Okay, after finished filing, I will cleanse all 10 nails with my cleanser, and now I'm applying number 157 from Exclusive Nail Couture, and this is a beautiful dark purple gel polish. And here I take my Magic Gel Creative Swirls brush, and I get really close to the cuticle with the gel polish. For the index finger, I am using Vision Gel number 3 Black, and I'm using this as a base before I apply the Cateye Gel Polish. Now I'm just going in and putting on a second coat. Now the fun part. I'm using number 4 Cateye Gel Polish from Vision Gel. Here I'm applying my Beamy Beauty Box No Wipe Top Coat, and I am going to spray some dry glitter spray from Nadia Beauty before curing for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. The middle finger we decided to do matte, so I'm applying Beamy Beauty Box's matte top coat and curing for 30 seconds. On the ring finger, I'm applying a no wipe top coat, curing for about 10 seconds, and then applying a purple chrome from Beamy Beauty Box. After wiping the excess pigment off the ring finger, I'm applying the no wipe top coat, and I decided to put the top coat on the rest of the nails and then cure for 60 seconds. And here is the finished result. I didn't really like how the chrome ended up, but my client liked that look, so we left it. I will put all the products that I used in the description box below, and also where you can purchase everything that I used. And that is it for this Watch Me Work video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun creating these nails. Comment down below if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Elite Nails by Carrie. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!